Meat in a pot is one of the most authentic dishes in my country. Once you'll make it, I'm sure that you will adore it. First, in a pan over medium heat, warm the vegetable oil and start cook the veal and pork meat diced in cubes. Cook for about 7 to 10 minutes until the meat turns brown in color. In a bowl, place in the ground meat and add the breadcrumbs, salt and pepper to taste, the egg yolk, and onion powder. Form small meatballs and coat them with flour. Fry them in the same pan with a little bit of oil. Place in the cooked pieces of meat in a baking dish and add in the chopped white button mushrooms. In the oily pan where all the meat was cooked, stir in the flour, mix dried vegetables, and water. When the mixture starts to thicken, pour over the meat mixture. Place the pot in the oven and turn it to 300 Fahrenheit. Bake for about 70 to 90 minutes or until the meat gets nice golden brown in color. I hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out. For a lot more coming in future, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media. Have fun cooking, until the next time.